As part of the State of Michigan graduation requirements, all high school students must complete and update their educational development plan every year. You're going to be doing this today through Naviance. By now, you should have gone to the Naviance website, clicked into the Naviance information with your Saline High School username, which is the part of your name that comes before the @SalineHornets.org, and your password, which is your student number. This video is in YouTube for a screencast of how to do this. The first thing you're going to do today is you are going to click on the Careers tab. Then you are going to go to Do What You Are. This is going to take less than 20 minutes to get the best results. After you do the Do What You Are, you're going to go to Career Cluster Finder. This is finding career clusters that match your interest and personal qualities. You will answer the questions to find out that information. Once you have finished the Career Cluster Finder, you are going to want to stay in the Careers tab and complete the Career Interest Profiler, which is right here. In that's a tool that helps you discover the type of work activities and careers that match your interest. The Interest Profiler has 180 questions about work activities that people do at their jobs. You can also find the Career Interest Profile on the prior page. You're going to want to add careers to your list as well. After you have finished the Career Interest Profile, you will have an option to add careers to your list by clicking on a button, Add to My List. Once you do that, you're then going to go up to the About Me tab. Click on the About Me tab, and you are going to go down to Home. Then when you get there, you are going to click on the Resume. In the Resume section, you will have a plus sign over to the right where you will click on, and that'll give you a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you will need to complete the following sections to the best of your ability. Work experience, and you'll add the work experience. Once you have completed the work experience, you can click on Add, but for today I'm going to be canceling out of it to show you the other things to click on. After work experience, education. After education, volunteer services. After volunteer services, extracurricular activities. After that, awards and certificates. After that, music, art, artistic achievements. After that, athletic achievement. Finally, references and leadership. For each section entered, at least add in the names, dates, and descriptions or comments. You may not have something in each area, but what you do have in the areas will help as you build your resume as you get closer to your senior year. Thank you for watching this screencast, and hopefully you'll be able to complete this section of your EDP by March 9th. Thank you.